Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, July 16th, 2020, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Another bad day today. I've been whining about this, and I this all started 4 or 5 days ago. But more recently, here yesterday, uh, we had a few positive positions on the close here, and then yesterday it gaps up and it looks really good. And I think we went from like $3,000 to 13,000 up here on the open, and I thought, wow, this looks pretty good. And then they just jumped on it. You can see the high in the Dow was made the first 15 minutes, and after that, it was all downhill from there. And we got out of those positions yesterday with, just a pittance in profit. We just saw that $13,000 that we saw in the open evaporate. And so that was very discouraging. And then the Dow just kind of drifts downside. Amazingly, because of this gap up, we got in a whole bunch of positions. I don't know, 15 or something like that. But amazingly, in spite of the drift down, we closed yesterday with $11,000 in open trade profit. And what I told you yesterday, if you watched the video, I said, this feels like a rising bear market. I'm uncomfortable with it. I don't like it. And yeah, we have $11,000 open trade profit here. And if anything gaps up today, we're going to make some pretty decent money. That's true. But if it goes south, we're in trouble because it's weak. Even with $11,000 in open trade profit, it just feels weak. Well, it went south this morning, and it didn't have to go very far south to cause us a lot of problems. And we saw that $11,000 profit, open trade profit, shrink to negative over $16,000 when we closed out. Positive 11 to negative 16. Not good. What, $27,000 swing difference from where we were here on the close to where we got out right here. Very discouraging. And then this thing just, continues to drift lower. Dow closes down 135 points. Not much happened. We did get into three positions. One is positive, two are negative, but we're carrying another negative $3,600 going into tomorrow. So just overall really bad day. And that's about all I have to say. I do not have a single stock to show you to talk about. I'm not going to talk about the bad ones. They're all bad. Nothing went right today. So that's the way it went on Thursday. Hope tomorrow's better. I'll see you tomorrow on Freaky Friday.